Today, I'll show you how to insert a Tableau project into your website. This quick guide will help you seamlessly integrate your data visualizations, making them accessible and interactive for your website visitors. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to tableau.com. This is the main hub where all your Tableau projects are stored and managed. Once you're there, if you're not already signed in, make sure to log in to your account to access your projects. Once you're logged in, head over to the Recent section. Here, you'll see a list of your most recent projects. Find the project you want to embed on your website. Hover over that project and you'll notice three dots appearing. This is essentially a menu for more actions. Click on these three dots to open up additional options for your project. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Share. Go ahead and click on it. Sharing your project is a crucial step because it allows you to generate a link that you'll use to embed the project into your website. After clicking on Share, you'll be presented with a few different options. Look for the Copy Link button and click it. This will copy the unique URL of your Tableau project to your clipboard, making it ready to be pasted wherever you need it. Now, with your project link safely copied, open a new tab in your web browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Squarespace is a popular website building platform, and it's where we'll be embedding your Tableau project. Once you're on Squarespace, you'll need to redirect to your specific website project. This is the site where you want your Tableau visualization to appear. Access your site's editor to make the necessary changes. Within the Squarespace editor, you'll want to locate and click on the option to add block. Blocks are the building units for Squarespace pages, allowing you to add various types of content like text, images, or embeds. In the search bar that appears, type in embed and click on the result. This will add an embed block to your page, which is exactly what we need for the Tableau project. Now you'll see a section within the embed block labeled Link. Click on this section and then paste the link you copied earlier from Tableau. This action connects your Tableau project to your Squarespace site, making the visualization accessible directly from your page. And there you have it. Your Tableau project is now embedded into your website, allowing visitors to interact with and explore your data visualizations with ease. This integration is a powerful way to enhance your website, offering dynamic and engaging content to your audience. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore more ways to optimize your website with interactive content. Thanks for watching and enjoy sharing your data insights with the world.